During 2023 and again in 2024, toxic algal blooms occurred in a large portion of the Snake River Reach between Lower Granite Dam and Washington and Lewiston, Idaho, a distance of 32 river miles. Proper river flows and water temperatures are vital for life and economies. They are vital for fish and wildlife that live in and along the Snake River Reach between Lower Granite Dam and Lewiston. They are vital for recreational anglers, Native American subsistence and ceremonial fisheries, the commercial fishing industry, and businesses that cater to all of them. They are vital for tourism. Proper river flows and water temperatures are vital for your health, drinking, cooking, washing, swimming, and playing. Cyanobacteria, a type of algae, occur naturally in freshwater environments. They are vital for the proper functioning of healthy aquatic ecosystems. However, excessive growth can lead to toxic algal blooms.
Not all algal blooms are toxic.
Algal blooms usually appear as a blue-green scum, foam, froth, or a green, paint-like slick on the water body surface. Slow-moving, stagnant flows and warm water, which occur during late summer and early fall in reservoirs, are among the primary environmental factors that contribute to toxic algal blooms. High concentrations of toxins produced by algal blooms can cause severe harm, including death to fish, wildlife, people, and pets when they ingest or contact it. Toxins can accumulate in fish that inhabit and migrate through toxic algal blooms. The toxins are very stable, resistant to environmental forces, and last up to several months under favorable conditions. Decomposing algae consume large amounts of oxygen. This oxygen depletion can injure or kill fish, especially native cold water species such as salmon and steelhead trout that require high dissolved oxygen levels. The decaying corpses of fish and wildlife that died during the toxic algal bloom also add a putrid stench to the air and repel all except the scavengers. Before the lower Snake River dams were built, the free-flowing, cold river was not prone to such maladies. White water is oxygenated water. Surface water that tumbled over exposed rocks and rapids and riffles was oxygenated by the turbulence. Furthermore, cold water holds more oxygen than warm water. As water temperature increases, its ability to hold dissolved oxygen decreases. The unobstructed river minimized retention time during which the water could be heated to unhealthy levels that promote toxic algal blooms. Slow-moving, stagnant flows and warm water facilitate toxic algal blooms that pose a serious threat to life and economies. Reestablishing proper river flows and water temperatures through the Lower Granite Dam to Lewiston Reach of the Lower Snake River will reduce or eliminate toxic algal blooms and thereby help restore a healthy Snake River ecosystem to benefit fish, wildlife, people, and economies.